Section 2.4, exercise 31, I think. Yeah, 31. And why they go exactly with a nu, that looks like the Greek letter nu as opposed to a V. Maybe it's a V. Let me see. I don't know. I think it's a Greek letter nu, but could be a V. And this is 1 minus 2 nu over 1 plus nu to the third. And so as I look at this on the outside, I have this cubing function, and on the inside I have this 1 minus 2 nu over 1 plus nu. Well, that is going to take a quotient rule, but that's fine. I just write down what I know, and so here my derivative. Derivative of this thing, just bring the 3 down, subtract 1 from the 3 up there in the exponent, I get 2 from the power rule. And, well, just rewrite what was on the inside. So I have that on the inside, and then out here I have the derivative of this thing. So instead of just trying to write down what that is, I will just write down that I need to do it. And so there's my derivative that I need to do. This part's done over here. So we have 3 times this stuff. And often when I'm doing work myself, I do that. I just concentrate on the outside part and then go to the inside. So get those. Now this is a quotient rule, and so derivative of the top, that's just -2, so I'm going to put some big brackets around that derivative so I remember to multiply through and so forth. So I get a -2 from that, and then times the bottom, so 1 plus nu, could be a V again, and then minus the 1 minus 2 nu, and then times the derivative of the bottom, well, that's just 1, and then over that denominator squared. And so there we go. A little simplification is in order, but I've done all my other calculations, my differential type calculations. And so I have 3. Now, notice that I have a 1 plus nu squared here and a 1 plus nu squared there, and so I think I'm going to write that this way right now. So 1 minus 2 nu squared, 1 plus nu to the 4th, and what I have left in this numerator is a -2 and a -2 nu, and here, be careful of negatives and so forth, a -1 and a +2 nu, and so those disappear, and I get a -3 from the constants, and so it looks like I have -9 times 1 minus 2 nu squared all over 1 plus nu to the 4th. And there we go, number 31.